Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to turn off safe search mode on Google if locked. Let's get started. So first on your home browser, you can now search google.com preferences. Then here if you see a lock icon next to the safe search, it means that the setting is locked by your Google account, parental controls, or network administrator. Then here, sign in to your Google account and tap the profile icon and make sure that you're using your own account. And try turning off the safe search. Uncheck the turn on safe search and click save. And if it's still locked, go to the family link and open it and select your account and tap the controls and select the Google search and click the safe search and turn it off. And you can now clear your browser cache if it's available. You can open your Chrome and go to the settings and select the privacy and clear your browsing data. Then restart the browser. And that's it. You've now disabled the safe search on Google if it was locked due to your account or network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.